With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here is a question. The most general solution of the equation 8 tan square theta by 2 equal to 1 plus secant theta is. So first of all I will write the equation which is given in the question, that is 8 tan square theta by 2 equal to 1 plus secant theta, right? So we know that cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So this is a formula of cos theta, right? So now I can write this equation as 8 tan square theta by 2 equal to 1 plus 1 upon cos theta, right? So if I put the value of cos theta in this equation, I will get 1 plus 1 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2, right? So now we can write this as right. So now if I take LCM, I will get 1 minus tan square theta by 2 plus 1 plus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2, right? So minus tan square theta and tan square theta by 2 will get cancelled and we will get 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2, which is equal to 8 tan square theta by 2, right? So if I cross multiply, I will get 8 tan square theta by 2 into 1 minus tan square theta by 2 equal to 2. So multiplying, I will get 8 tan square theta by 2 minus 8 tan raised to power 4 theta by 2 equal to 2, right? So if I take this equation on right side, I can write this as 8 tan raised to power 4 theta by 2 minus 8 tan square theta by 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Now this can be written. Now if I take tan square theta equal to p, taking tan square theta equal to p, so we can write this as 8. If I cancel this, I can write this as 1, this as 4 and this as 4, right? Now we will get 4 p square minus 4 p plus 1 equal to 0, right? So if I split using splitting the middle term and solve this quadratic equation, then I can write this as 4p square minus 2p minus 2p plus 1 equal to 0. Now if I take 2p common, I will get 2p minus 1 minus 1, 2p minus 1 equal to 0. So this will be 2p minus 1 into 2p minus 1 equal to 0. Now 2p will be equal to 1 and 2p equal to 1. So p is equal to 1 by 2. P is also equal to 1 by 2, right? So p is equal to tan square theta by 2. So tan square theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, right? So let us mark this as equation number and this as equation number 1. Now if I put this equation number 2 in equation number 1 in place of tan square theta by 2, I will get cos theta equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 upon 1 plus 1 by 2. So solving this, I will get 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the value of cos theta. So if I take general solution, I will get theta equal to 2n pi plus minus cos inverse 1 by 3, right? So this is the final solution of theta, and this is our required answer. So if we look in the options above, we will find that option 1 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.